Welcome to a calm beginning and a sense of shared rhythm. Today's affirmation invites connection beyond the self. My heart beats in harmony with all creation. It is easy to feel separate in daily life, caught in thoughts, responsibilities, and personal concerns. The world can begin to feel distant or divided. This affirmation gently dissolves that sense of separation. Your heartbeat is not isolated. It moves within a wider rhythm, the same rhythm that shapes breath, tides, seasons, and cycles of rest and renewal. When you feel into this, something softens, the sense of being alone eases. You remember that you are part of something living and vast. Harmony does not mean perfection. It means resonance. It means moving in relationship rather than resistance. When your heart aligns with this awareness, tension loosens and presence deepens. This affirmation is not asking you to understand the whole of life. It is simply inviting you to feel connected within it, to sense that your existence is woven into a larger pattern, held and supported by it. As your day unfolds, return to this affirmation when you feel disconnected or overwhelmed. Place a hand on your heart. Breathe. Remember that you are moving with life, not outside it. Here's your daily habit for today. Pause once today and notice your heartbeat for a few seconds without changing it. Carry these companion affirmations with you. I belong to the rhythm of life, and I am connected beyond what I can see. Thank you for beginning your day with AM inspiration and choosing connection over separation. May today move with you in quiet harmony. Win the morning. Win the day.